Welcome to iBLADES Screen Protector Installation and Operation series of 4 videos. This is video 1, which covers preparation. So follow the instructions provided in the screen protector. It's these instructions. So I've just washed my hands and now I'm going to remove the alcohol pad from the accessory package. And clean the smartphone screen. Next, I'm going to use the microfiber cloth to remove any liquid remaining on the surface of the screen. And finally, I'm going to take the back off the dust remover sticker and dab the screen to remove any dust. When I look at a reflection on the screen, I notice that it is completely clean and there's no dust, particles or smears, and the screen protector is now ready to be installed. So please see the next video for installation.